In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to change the background of a video in Capcut on a mobile phone. So open Capcut, and then you're actually going to see this. You see new video, edit photo. Okay, so tap new video right there. Now here's the one of the important steps. Please, you're going to select the photo which has the background that you want for your video. Okay, I'm going to select this photo, which is the background I want for my video. Okay, and select it, then tap on the add part right here, on the lower part right here. Yes, right there, so that it is actually added. That's the background I'm actually going to use. Now, you see this? Then now you're going to look down right here. You see the overlay part. Tap overlay. Now, add overlay. Then select the video with which you want to change the background. Okay? Yes, go to video right there. Then select the video. Okay? So I'm going to go with one of my videos right here. Okay? Select the video. You see this is a video. It has a unique background. So tap on add. Okay? Yes, you can see my video is right there, and that's, you see its background currently, and we're going to remove that and then put the background desired. Okay, now once the video is there, now you look down right here. You're going to navigate down like this. Look for remove background part. Okay, yes, gently so that you don't miss it. Okay, yes, remove BG. See that part right there? Remove BG. Yes, right there. So you're going to tap it. Now, you're actually going to see the auto removal part. Tap right there. Okay. Yes, you can see background removed. So as you can see, the photo is the background. So you tap the tick. Yes, that means now the photo that was put first is the new background, and you can see the video right there. Okay. So you can see we have been able to change the background of the video. The photo is the new background. So when you try to play the video, you can see that the video has a new background. And by the way, if you like such content, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. So as you can see, once you're done, tap on export right there. Yes, and that's it. That's how you change the background of a video in CapCut.